Hi again, Marcy here from Quick Start Piano, where adults learn by playing the music they love most. And it's time again for some Christmas music. We're going to look at Up on the Housetop, and the book that we'll be using is this Christmas Carols book in the Super Easy Songbook series. And here's the ordering information. This series is really good for beginners. If you've only had a few weeks of lessons, you can generally handle what's in this book. The staff for the right hand, you have little alpha notes, so you have the alphabet letters in each note, and that's for the melody. And then for the left hand, they have chord symbols. The only downside to this series is they put absolutely 0 finger numbers in here to help you know where to move your hand and when to move your hand. So that's where I come in. So we are going to walk through this song. I will show you the right hand melody and I will show you the left hand chords. Let's get started. All right, Up on the Housetop, another 3-chord song. This just uses our 3 primary chords, G, C, and D, or D7. And I'm going to show you the easy entry-level version where you're just using the chord shells on the left hand. So this is G, our home shape, C, our up shape, and D, our down shape. And we'll use those 3. The melody for this one starts with the 4th finger on D, and you mostly stay in this 5-finger position, but there's a little bit of wiggle room on these lower fingers here. And I'll walk you through it. So we've got... So I mostly have 5-finger position here, and my thumb is stretched out. Now my thumb's going to move to A. Now there's a choice here. You could go like that. I think that's a little bit awkward. I think I'm going to go like this. I'm going to stretch my 3rd finger, and then I'm going to put 2nd finger back on B, so I was where I started. Let's try that again. Stretch down, stretch up. And now I'm back where I was. So the thumb kind of belongs to both of these notes, and then once in a while we'll stretch down like that. So all of the little ones' Christmas joys. So it's really nice. These fingers up here, especially these top 3 fingers, they belong there and they stay there the whole song. And then we just have a little bit of wiggle room down below. Okay, let's run through what it would look like with the chords. That's our most basic version. If you wanted to fill out the middle note for each chord, the middle note of the G chord is B. The middle note of the C chord is a C. Gotta have a C in a C chord. Then back to G. And then for the D chord, the middle note is A. And then if you want to fill out the whole thing and make a 7, that sounds a little thick to me, but you can do it if you want. Other times we also will drop out the A, and you choose either to play the C or the A, because 4 notes can sound really thick. So you decide. Those are the 3, and here's what it might look like. Then other options, if that starts to get too easy, you might want to put a little pa pa. 1, 2, 3, 4. You could also go 1, 2, 1, 2. I think I'm going to try that. And that is, if you're splitting them apart like that, then it doesn't sound so thick if you use all 3. So hopefully that gives you some ideas. Have fun with it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, if you have an idea or a request for a tutorial that you would like to see, maybe a favorite tune or a certain aspect of music that you would like to see demonstrated, drop me a note in the comments. I'll see what I can do.